These are the JBL Live 780 NC. They are the successors of the Live 770 NC, and I can tell you right away, they pack huge improvements and upgrades over the Live 770 NC, but with one small downgrade in my opinion, and in this video I'm gonna tell you all about it. I'm gonna start right away by showing you the visual differences between these two headphones, their build quality and their comfort. What strikes you first is the headband that is made of cloth on the 770 NC when it is made of like rubber feeling and more premium on the 780 NC. The second thing is the thickness of the hinges here and the headband. They are much thicker on the 770 NC when they are narrower and more elegant on the 780 NC. They both are metal, so they're gonna last for a very long time. And for the ear cups, the ones on the Live 770 NC are more protruding than the ear cups of the Live 780 NC. Now for the build quality also there is a big difference. So the 770 NC build quality, while it is not bad build quality, they crack sometimes when you walk with them or when you move your head. When the 780 NC feel more like sturdy, they do not crack, they do not squeak when you move with them, and this is very good. Now both of them have ear cups that float in all the directions, and also they fold like this, and they also fold like this horizontally, so they are very portable. Now for the comfort, the most annoying thing about the comfort of the 770 NC is that they squeak and they crack when you walk with them, and this is something that I couldn't tolerate. And also when you wear them, you feel that the headband on the top will touch your head all the time. So let me wear them for you first to see how they look when you wear them. So talking about the comfort and how they look, I talked about the headband here. You feel it all the time, especially because it has also a thinner like a cushioning on the top of the headband, and it doesn't distribute the weight, and they are a little bit big in my opinion. They are not very uncomfortable, but I cannot wear them for more than a couple of hours, and afterwards I need to take breaks. Now for the 780 NC, I've been testing them for the last couple of weeks, and they are a huge improvement, first by the looks of them as opposed to the 770 NC, and also by the comfort. So see how they are very low profile as opposed to the 770 NC, and also they are much more comfortable, even though they also have very thin cushioning on the top of the headband. They distribute the weight better than the 770 NC, and you feel them hugging your head better. So at the same time, they are comfortable, and you can use them at the gym because they sit well on your head, and this is a very big advantage for these headphones. Now for the specification differences and upgrades, they have many similar specifications, but the 780 NC brings better frequency response range in wireless, also brings better Bluetooth with 6.0. They have also the LDAC codec, and also they have USB-C audio. And this brings me to the only small downgrade that I talked in the beginning of the video about it. So it is that the 770 NC can be connected via a 3.5mm audio jack when the 780 NC cannot be used this way. So this is the audio jack on the 770 NC, and the 780 NC you can only connect them wired with the USB-C cable. So you need to turn them on for them to work when they are wired, when you can use the 770 NC without turning them on, and this makes them more versatile in case the battery gets depleted. Now for the features, both headphones have extremely rich features. The 780 NC brings more features than the 770 NC for the call quality, and also it is now Auracast capable. Let's perform the sound quality test now by recording some sound clips on my binaural microphone, and you'll be listening to both these headphones with the equalizer off and with the equalizer on, with the best settings that I found for each of them. And at the end of the sound quality test, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to get the best sound quality out of them.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their
I don't know about you, but for me, I find that the sound quality of the Live 780NC is on another level than the Live 770NC, and it is way better. Now, to get the best sound quality out of these headphones, you need to disable all the settings that interfere with the sound quality except for the equalizer. So disable smart audio, spatial audio, low level equalization, do not use personify, and this is my personal experience with these headphones. And to prove my point, when you enable LDAC on the Live 780NC, it already disables most of these settings. Let's see now how efficient is the active noise cancellation in each of these headphones by recording the simulated ambient sound of an airplane's cabin, and I'll be setting the ANC in each of these headphones to the maximum level with adaptive ANC turned off and auto compensation turned on.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now landing in less than 10 minutes. Test the way. And once again, comply with cabin regulations, so we shall be naming the cabin. Test the way. And once again, comply with cabin regulations, so we shall be naming the cabin line.
So you might have noticed that the ANC in the Live 780NC is much improved than the one in the 770NC. It filters out the rumbling noises better than the 770NC, and overall also it reduces all the noises. Now for the ambient aware, I didn't mention that also ambient aware for both headphones, it is adjustable, and in my test I put it to the maximum level. It is more natural in my opinion also in the Live 780NC as compared to the one in the 770NC. I am now in a quiet environment, and the sound you're listening to is coming from the microphones of the Live 780NC. These headphones have some functionalities, as I mentioned before, for the microphone. So these are the functionalities. You can enhance the sound level, and also they have something called voiceover, where you can listen to your own voice when you are in a call. The 770NC has also voiceover. So let's switch to them now to compare the sound. And this is now the sound coming from the microphones of the Live 770NC. Let me show you in the application the voice aware setting, and this is the only setting that you can use in these headphones to control the sound quality when you are in a call. Now the Live 780NC has a higher volume and an overall better sound quality for the microphone, but for the voiceover the Live 770NC are a tad better. So now I am in a noisy environment, and this is the microphone of my camera. And now this is the sound coming from the microphones of the Live 780NC. And these microphones in this noisy environment excel. They block out all the outside noise, and they are not very sensitive to the wind. Let's switch now to the Live 770NC to see and hear how good they are. So these are now the microphones of the Live 770NC. And you notice that the volume is a little bit low as compared to the Live 780NC. And also for the noise, they block some of the outside noise, but they are not as efficient as the noise blockage of the Live 780NC. So in the microphone test, the Live 780NC are the winners. So the JBL Live 780NC improves on almost all the categories over the Live 770NC, except the wired connection category, where it cannot work offline. Now also, they do not provide it with a charging cable as opposed to the charging cable provided with the 770NC, and this is cheap in my opinion from JBL. They have also a nice touch in the pouch. They have a pocket inside the pouch so that you can put the USB-C to 3.5mm audio jack cable in this pocket. So even if the Live 780NC is now more expensive than the Live 770NC, it is a better choice in my opinion. If you want to check out any of these headphones, I'm going to leave affiliate links in the description. If you make a purchase using my links, I'm going to gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you like my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.